My name is Tarang Murphy. So currently we are having our DBS Premier League. In this Premier League, plenty of teams have collected and they are here to compete against each other. And currently I'm showing you this football field. So I'm in the football field, I'm present here. You can see the excitement here. Plenty of teams have gathered here. All are giving their best. All are competing to win the trophy, to win the ultimate DPL trophy. All teams are so fired up, you can just look at the match.
DPL, it's a holistic tournament where all the colleges from throughout Dehradun and the various parts come out in DGU to participate.
Thank you so much.